Hey guys, it's Julie. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is a very simple and easy hairstyle, so stick around for the tutorial. For the style, I'm using one of my favorite staples. That's the Melanin hair care collection. Right now I'm showing you the cream, and that's the leave-in conditioner. And then following that is the oil. I use the XoXo method whenever I'm styling and moisturizing my hair. So yeah. So for this part right here, I'm just showing you how I section my hair. I did 3 sections, the back, the middle, and the little front right there. Right now I'm going in with my conditioners to moisturize my hair. I'm following the XoXo method. That's your leave-in conditioner followed by your cream and your oil, and that's all I'm doing for this part right there. So right now I'm going to show you how I braid and twist the back of my hair. I like to braid the roots sometimes, not always, as a way to kind of keep the puffiness down to a minimum. So that's what I'm doing right now. I braid the roots and then halfway I twist it all the way down, and I'm going to do that for the rest of the back of my hair, and then I'll be back. For the front section, I just twisted the entire section. I didn't follow the same technique I did in the back, just because I wanted a little bit more volume for the front bang. It's like a front side bang thing, and because it's a small section, that's why I just twisted. So yeah. This part right here, I'm doing medium to small braids. I'm not going to braid them tight. As you can see, my edges are still recovering, guys, so I don't ever braid the front of my hair tightly. So yeah, I'm going to do that for both sides of my head, and then I'll be right back. Oh, by the way, just letting you guys know ahead of time that braiding in that direction can get tiring, so you will have to rest in between braids. Just a heads up. guys, I'm just applying some castor oil to my roots. You can apply any type of oil that you have at hand. My favorite is castor oil, so that's what I'm using to grease my scalp, I guess. Right now, I'm just going to kind of put it in a little mini bun. You can leave your head like this if you like it like that, you know, if you're not going anywhere and you're just staying at home. Since right now, as I'm uploading this video, we in quarantine from the coronavirus, so you can leave that up if you're not going anywhere. But then, yeah, if you need to go out, you can just untwist them like I'm going to show you in the next slides. So a few hours later, we are taking the hair down so I can show you guys how it looks when you take everything down, or you can simply leave it like this, like I've said before, if you're not going anywhere. Right now I'm just carefully untwisting and then unbraiding the back carefully. The twist came out pretty nice. As you can see, very defined and moisturized as always. I really like the Melanin conditioner with the cream. It works well together for me. So if you guys ever want to try something different, definitely try that collection. And if you do, let me know in the comments below how you like it. This section right here, guys, after I've carefully separated my hair, I went in with the pick to pick it out a little bit more to get a little bit more volume. If you don't want that, you don't have to pick it out, but for me, I wanted a little bit more volume added, so that's all I did back here. This is the final look. My hair came out pretty nice. I like how everything turned out. Braids look great. Definition is definitely there. It's really nice. I could have had a little bit more definition in the back if I didn't pick it out so much. So if you want definition, more curl definition, guys, don't pick too much. And for the front part, I really didn't like it too much. I wish I had added some perm rods to give it more curl definition at the end. This part right here is just me showing you how the style would look like with some accessories added to it. If you don't want that, you can omit that. But if you want something that looks cute and keep your hair out your face, that's the bonus. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, comment, share the video if you like it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.